Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 14th of July 2014 market review. The trade for today is called Impala Platinum, IMP. As you can see, the quote is IMP. Last traded price was 110 Rand 41. The objective is to play the share from a high to a low, or we call it a short. The entry level will be on the dotted blue line here, and the price will be 107 Rand 61, with the objective to trade it downwards. Stop loss level will be 113 Rand 49 on the top here, and your target level will be 95 Rand 85 just at the bottom here. So the expectation that this specific share could actually come down if it breaks this dotted blue line here on the short of 170 Rand 70, 107 Rand 61. Still the open trades for the day so far. African Rainbow Minerals, Bidvest, Tiger Brand, Standard Bank, Mondi and PSG. Looking at the top 40 here, that's the blue line, that's the index. Still broken the 5-day moving average downwards, as well as the grey line here, that's the 20-day moving average downwards. Looking at the industrials, as you can see, that's the Dow Jones American Markets Index. Look at the blue line, that's the share index price. Still trading between the green and the red line at this moment. On Friday they closed a bit positive, about 26 points. Very conservative upwards movement still in this between the green and the red Bollinger Bands at this moment. No big breakdowns as yet between on the green line as yet. So the tendency of this index is still a bit positive, but you can see it starting to go sideways here as well on the end here. Looking at the J200, top 40 shares of the JSE. The index as well went between the green and the red Bollinger Bands, as well as between the green support level and the red resistance level. Last week starting to break this green one downwards at this time, coming a bit down, but currently it's about 70 points higher, where if you look at the industrial or the Dow Jones futures, they're currently about 23 points higher. Asia is a bit positive this morning as well, so we could see a bit of a positiveness coming back into the market during the course of the day, on the opening at 850 on the J200 or the top 40. Looking at some shares, here's Shoprite. Shoprite downward channel between the purple and the green line on the Bollinger Bands. Broke it up, now it's testing this 160 Rand level, currently trading at 158.37. Still waiting for this 161 level to be confirmed. If it breaks it up, higher movements. At any time if this table price or the green on the Bollinger Band breaks down, that's about 154 Rand. At any time if it breaks it down, it will go back to the 152 Rand, but still positive. And looking at some indicators, breaking a bit up there. Stochastic is breaking a bit up there. RSI also breaking up. So we need to see how the market will follow today. Through it, it's currently going totally sideways at this moment. Here to the close to the 75 Rand level, trading between 74 and 75 at this time. You can see it's also going sideways. Woolies went back to the 80 Rand on Friday. Bounce on the green line on the Bollinger Bands. Bounced up and went to the high of 80 bucks towards the red line of the Bollinger Bands. Looking at Mr. Price breaking new highs on it seems like the last few days, and still trading between the green and the red line, still showing positiveness and positive growth on the specific share at this moment. Looking at the 2-year chart, you can actually see it's a very steep mountain they've climbed and breaking new highs as well. Looking at Barclays Bank. Now Barclays Bank at this moment, you can go and extend this line, it's also moving up. And look at this, currently testing it high on the channel, as well as look at the bottom here. So look at this cycle, so I'm going to zoom in. So you can see the cycles low, high, low, high, low, high, low. It's currently on the high of that cycle. You need to track this one closely and testing currently your highs as well on this specific share for the last year now. Going back to Standard Bank. Standard Bank currently trading sideways at this moment. Current low approximately 142 Rand, 143 Rand, and approximately high at this moment is about 146, 147 at this moment. Going sideways, we need to see if there's going to be an upward movement that's happening here. Take note on the J200 MPC meeting is due this Thursday. So due to interest rates, we need to see what the results will come out there as well. So it's very important to follow that market information at Thursday at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Looking at some telecommunication, MTN, coming down, went down to the 220 level, 219 level, breaking back up. Still trading between the purple and the green line, showing a bit of downward movement could happen here. It broke the support here. Now look at this. Leg, shoulder, head, shoulder. Could this be the leg in the next few days playing out? Back here to the 213, 214 levels from the current levels. Need to check closely if this will play out. Vodacom. Vodacom is also trading a lot to the side. Current trading levels 127, 130, 127, 150. At a stage it was trading 132. A lot of volatility currently in the share. Barloworld. Looking at Barloworld, also tracking to the side. No big movement here at this stage. Could be frustrating for some traders sitting in this in a long or in the short term. Looking at Imperial. Now this is important that we can follow here. Let's look at this cycle. I'm actually identifying here at the bottom of the cycle. At any time if the share breaks up basically from the 191 levels, we could go back to the 196 levels in this downward channel. Looking at the indicators, a bit of a bounce up happening here on the winning percentage. RSI breaking a bit up in the downward cycle. Stochastics also breaking up. So professional traders will most probably look at this as an opportunity to start trading this up and grab another 4 or 5 Rand out of this trade, definitely in the short term. Remember, MPC meeting on Thursday. Asian markets open positive this morning. US futures are also positive about 23-24 points. And the Aussie 40 is also a bit positive about 70 to 80 points for early trading here at 8:15 this morning. Enjoy your trading.